What should be the available space to install a home elevator? See, to understand this, first you need to know what should be the minimum cabin space, internal cabin dimensions. Okay, so according to BIS standard, the minimum space for one passenger is 1.8 square feet, and the maximum space for one passenger is 2 square feet. So let us consider, because it's a home elevator, lift is not so big, so let us consider it as 2 square feet for one passenger. So you may have a doubt, like, whether a passenger fits in 2 square feet or not. So BIS also defined that one passenger, according to lift standard, is 68 kgs. That is a lean person, not the healthy person. So for a passenger who weighs about 68 kgs, we can provide maximum space of 2 square feet. So suppose if it is a 2 feet by 2, 1 feet by 1 feet, 1 feet by 2 feet cabin, which becomes 2 square feet, then the outer dimension what is required is about 1.5 feet more in width, half feet left side, half feet back side, half feet front side. So the entire space inside the shaft will become about 2 plus 1.5 plus half, about 4 feet. 1 plus half becomes about 2 feet. So within 4 by 2 we can actually install an elevator if it is a hydraulic lift, cube hydraulic lift. So the standards what we are asking to install cube elevator is, if you provide 3 feet by 3 feet, we can install a single passenger elevator. 3 feet by 4 feet, 2 passenger. 4 feet by 4 feet, 3 passenger. 5 feet by 5 feet, 4 passenger. And 6 feet by 6 feet for 6 passenger. This includes the structure also. What is structure? Suppose we need to install an elevator in between the staircase. There is no wall support, so we'll go for an iron structure. We'll use 4 iron columns, and then we make a iron shaft. We install lift in between, inside the shaft. So the outer, if it is 3 feet in width by 3 feet in depth, this is width, this is depth. Width is from left to right, depth means from front to back. Okay, then we can install a single passenger, then 2 passenger, 3 passenger, 4 passenger and 5 passenger, 4 passenger and 6 passenger. So suppose if it is not a Cube Italian imported hydraulic elevator, if it is a Bharat elevators are electric traction lifts. In Cube hydraulic Italian imported lifts, you have the machine outside the house, in the ground floor itself, whereas in Bharat elevator you have the machine on top of the building. So suppose if there is a lift internal shaft, if we are installing cylinder to the back side, in a cube elevator you have the entire equipment to the back side, and which occupies 365 mm, and then we need to leave running clearances on all the 3 sides. If it is Bharat elevator, we need to little bit more space. It's instead of 365, it will be about 500 mm. So if it is 500, so we are asking for Bharat elevators about 1 feet more space in either depth or width. That is, this becomes 3 by 4 for 1 passenger, 3 by 5 for 2 passenger, 4 by 5 for 3 passenger, 5 by 6 for 4 passenger, 6 by 7 for 6 passenger. So apart from these standard sizes what we have mentioned here, even if the shaft is so small, suppose if it is 2 feet by 3 feet, then also we can always customize the elevator. If we come to know about the available space inside the building, then we can let you know what would be the final cabin size. So for more details you can always contact us, and we request you to subscribe to our channel.